Icon Clinic, what made you decide to partner again with Miss Universe Philippines?
Well, syempre, everybody knows naman na Miss Universe Philippines is the only pageant in the Philippines. Right? It's the only pageant for me.
Guys, siya nagsabi.
Only I don't need Imans. Actually, we debate getting great results with Imans. Syempre, we wanted Icon also to get that proper exposure. And we believe that Miss Universe Philippines is, is the place to be.
Thank you and congratulations in this partnership. Especially from Paul Manang.
Hello Sir Walter, I have a question po. Pwede niyo po ba kaming kwentuhan kung paano yung preparation niyo sa, or ano yung naging process sa partnership with the Icon Clinic?
Akala ko preparation. Searches ko. Well, no. The great thing about Icon and Kimans, there's intertwined in business, but also the friendships. Because Mario has been friends and also a co-worker with Lerma in a previous lifetime. And then sina Doc Abby, Dina, I met them through one of my really good friends, Tony, at the People Asia Awards. But that was like a couple of years ago. So, we've just been friends. But when the opportunity came up, it started with Kimans. And it turned out to be, a positive, beneficial partnership for both. And, and then the great thing also is they also sponsored Miss Universe in El Salvador. So everything was a very organic, natural progression. And in fact, magkasama kami sa El Salvador and they were also cheering for Michelle na magkasama. So alam nila lahat na kung gusto niyo magtanong ng mga chismis, what was happening, ground zero. Kasi nandun kami sa tabi na stage ni Lerma, ni Nabina. Alam nila lahat, kita namin lahat. Si Lerma, alam niya lahat.
So are we expecting more collaboration or partnership in the near future with Icon Clinic?
Absolutely. We don't partner with people just for 1 year as much as possible. We look at the long term. Parang sa love life.
Thank you so much, sir.
Adam? Question lang si Adam. Nagulat siya.
Hello, Doc Eric. So I would like to ask, what sort of partnership or collaboration specifically are you looking forward in collaborating with these candidates? So let's say in terms of their preparation for this year's competition. Procedure or endeavor?
Translator.
Adam?
Okay. Remember for the candidates, syempre, everybody knows that they are really very, very beautiful already. But syempre, every beautiful woman still needs some maintenance. And we believe that Icon Clinic, the partnership with Icon Clinic can help enhance their beauty, their glow. Diba? So, syempre, we can make better skin and all of that.
So are these all, this is my first time kasi to get to know more about your clinic. So are these non-invasive procedures?
Yes, these are non-invasive and non-surgical procedures also. Kasi remember, Icon Clinic is not only a plastic surgery center, it's also a dermatological and wellness center. So we also offer non-invasive surgical procedures.
So since you're the biggest sponsor for this year's competition, shall we expect Miss Icon Skin Clinic to be awarded coronation night?
Yeah, yes.
So what qualities are you looking for the Miss Icon Skin
Maybe Miss Lerma can answer about who's the icon, Miss Icon.
Okay, just a quick background. For the Icon Clinic, we actually launched this campaign that talks about Proud of My Truth. So, what we're actually looking for is for someone who has that, being authentic, that authenticity, that recognition that somehow she has flaws, and in recognition of that, she does something to improve or to make it better. So that's actually along that line where we are looking at the potential winner for that award. And let me just share also that when we talk about that campaign message of Proud of My Truth, it's not just about the amazing transformations that Lokiapi has done for the last couple of years. It's actually the impact we had on the lives of our patients. Some of those kasi, I don't know if we have girls here who were bullied in the past because of their physical flaws, but because of the Icon Clinic, we were able to transform them into someone that exudes confidence, someone who's brave enough to conquer and achieve different milestones in their lives. So more than beauty that's defined as skin deep, we go beyond that. We want to transform their lives to not just being beautiful on the outside, but really more on their inner selves, how we're able to transform their inner selves.
So, I'll just quickly add to that. Because I think whenever we talk about the clinics, procedures, there's that misconception about plastic surgery, enhancements, and beauty pageants. But it's not just about that. It's about the choice that the women have. And the women that choose to do it is really something that they feel they need to do, that they want to do. That's the point that I want to emphasize. It's a choice. And I've seen kung nakita nyo yung mga IG. Yes. At first, I was scandalized. I was like, oh my God, kasi si Doc has been telling, oh, punta kang volunteer. And I ayoko nandiyan ako, tapos talagyan mo ko stars dito. So, I was always scared of that. But, the great thing is like when I hear their stories, the women are so happy, so grateful, and so thankful for him. Because it gives them, like that extra happiness and that confidence that they've been wanting. And again, it's about choice. And, like for me, the hashtag proud of my truth. My truth is, I did Icon Clinic. You look like this.
Alright, thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Kim from the Lineage. So, we know that Kim is also in products and services. Are we expecting something new in the future in terms of services, maybe branches in the Philippines or out of the country?
Okay, just like what Doc Yapi said, originally the company or the brand started with surgical services, and then we ventured into dermatological services. And now we're happy to say also that we're expanding to include wellness as well. In fact, we've acquired some machines already and some machines and some trainings for our staff for our wellness. So those who like to have let's say mga drips, immune booster drips, for energy, etc. We all have those drips as well.
Okay. Pwede na po ba kami magtanong about sa nangyari sa Miss Universe? No.
Insider.
Yeah, insider. Thank you. Good luck.
No more? Okay, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon. I just wanted to ask if you have a sort of a lineup of activities for us to follow or monitor in the future.
For
Yes, yes.
Ay, maybe sir.
Yeah, for the coordination.
Pardon, I can take
like the baby.
Ikaw talaga, ikaw daw sasagot.
Well, of course, we have our sponsors now. So, all sponsors will be invited, and then it's going to be a big formal event. So, all the sponsors and also VIPs and board members will be there to join and celebrate about the partnership of this year's of Miss Universe 2024. So yeah, aside from preliminary, of course, the coronation.
That's the one during the first week of May.
That's different pa. So that's
But you should follow his Doc Yapi's Instagram account.
Yes.
It will bring you joy.
Sumasayaw si Doc Yapi.
On top of that, one thing that you can really look forward to would be the major digital initiative that will happen sometime in May. So that one will need support from the followers and the supporters, of course, of our official contestants. And that will result into something really major. So you have to watch out for that. Thank you.
Okay. So okay na po. So one more. Sige.
Dr. Eric, sorry, this question is top of my head.
Ano daw kailangan niya gawin? Enhancement.
You know, I noticed kasi you've been very aggressive in sponsoring a lot of pageants. You've been sponsoring also male pageants as well. So I wonder, what is it about pageantry that you like so much that you're eventually sponsoring in this type of endeavor instead of, let's say, getting a A-list celebrity in town to as an ambassador to boost your career?
So I'll answer that with Doc Yapi. So yes, that's correct. We've been sponsoring since last year. No? When we started our partnership with MUPH, we've been very aggressive in terms of partnering with established. Well, actually, just like what Doc Yapi said earlier, the ultimate brand when it comes to pageant, no less than Miss Universe Philippines. So we are partnering primarily because it's in the area of beauty, it's in the field of beauty, and obviously our products and services are in the same category, in the same industry, and that's why we would like to establish a strong association with beauty brands, just like Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you.
Okay, so one last group picture with them, with the first batch of the girls, then papasok pa kami na natin. Just for the picture na. Sige, one picture na tayo with this batch.
Tapos ulit yung question ko.
Photo-walk na lang din yan. Ayan. Get ready na tayo sa second batch, Mama Angel ha. Picture tayo with our clients and from the Empire.
Here po.
Picture na girls. Ito official photo natin and video yung mga green jacket. Ayan, pag magkatabi. Ayan. Okay, dito tayo ha. All in Miss Universe. Sorry.
And 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, one. Okay, dito girls, sabay-sabay tayo ha.
Thank you!
Icon cleaning for Miss Universe Philippines. Okay? Quiet po tayo dito sa dyan, sa side na to.
Quiet on the set.
Ay, pa-off na rin yung radyo na rinigit ko nila.
In the words of Jeannie Anderson, quiet please.
Game. Ay, yung nga, Pilipinas. Game. Okay, okay, cue. And go.
Icon Clinic for Miss Universe
Then
Philippines.
wave. Okay, one more. Okay, ready? And, okay tayo na. And rolling and go.
The Icon Clinic for Miss Universe Philippines.
There. Okay, next batch. Thank you, girls.
Yung mga nagpapagawa daw, magpapalapit na. Magpapalapit na yung gumagawa.
Okay, next batch. Girls.
Marco. Lord. Marco.
Tatlong batches.
Ayan, sa naghahanap po kay Alexi, nandito po siya sa second batch.
Oh yeah. What's that you think of? Who are your top three?
Bruwa ka. Bruwa ka talaga.
In the relationship,
I hate you.
Quiet po tayo.
Quiet, please.
Okay? Okay, picture tayo ngayon. Right? Ayan. Si Albay, pwede ka lumabas ng konti sa video mo.
Adam, pupunta pa sa Mexico City.
Girls, the Icon Clinic for Miss Universe Philippines. Pero picture muna tayo. Picture muna. Alright, okay, picture po.
So for the video lang.
Okay, for the video, pumunta. Okay, the Icon Clinic for Miss Universe Philippines. On my cue, rolling. And go.
Icon Clinic for Miss Universe Philippines.
And wave. Okay, one more. And rolling. Done. And go.
The Icon Clinic for Miss Universe Philippines.
Okay. And okay, one last picture. Okay na ba? Same picture. Smile. Smile tayo. Picture. Okay, thank you much to Game Group 3 na.
Pageantology 101. Doc, do you think, yung chance to? Hindi mo kakain doon, hindi mo kaya.
Tura ka. Nahihirapan ako dyan.
Nahihirapan daw siya.